Hi everyone, it's Amber and I am back with another video. This is going to be a very casual video and I'm just going to show you how my husband and I made two really cute Easter baskets for my nephews Brady and Bryson. So I have a little tip for you before we get started. Most everything you see here is going to be from the Dollar Tree, and the most important part, of course, is the basket. So I don't go to the Easter section to get the baskets because they're really small and kind of flimsy. I went to like the container section, and these baskets are like mini laundry baskets, and I used them last year as well in I think different colors, but I went to the Dollar Tree and I got these cute little mini laundry baskets for $1 each, and that's what we're going to use. So I hope that you enjoy. Okay, so as you can tell in the title of this video, I'm going to be having my husband David help me.
Hello everyone.
Okay, so this is showing that literally anybody can do this because my husband is not crafty. He has no interest in this whatsoever, and he's going to help me. So we're going to start out, like I said, I talked about these two baskets. We're going to start out with Brady's, and his is the green one. So David, will you just move Bryson's basket aside? Just grab the blue one and move it aside, and then just go ahead and work on the green one. So the first thing we're going to do is grab that crinkle paper. Okay, so everyone, this is like a really pretty blue, like robin's egg blue crinkle paper, and I got it from Michael's. So David, go ahead and open it up. He got it opened up, but show him this. This is like their main gift that's going to be going in there because they absolutely love Ryan's World. So we're going to be hiding this under the crinkle paper in their basket. So this one's Brady's. Go ahead and stick it in the basket, David. And then, oh, you took the plastic off? Move your hand, honey. Move this.
You want me to take the plastic off?
Yeah, just like lay it down though, because it needs to be like as flat as possible. Like lay it, yeah. So then we're going to take half of the crinkle paper and put it in the basket. So just take half of it. Use that paper around that egg to kind of hide it. Here's where we're at, guys. We just have the little cute mini laundry basket with the egg, and it's covered with some cute grass. Well, paper shred. So the next thing we're gonna do is just start piling in all the stuff. So let me show you everything we got, and he's holding it up here, is from Dollar Tree. We've got the paint and marker pad and the sketch pad, and these are $1 at the Dollar Tree. My nephews are totally into art, and they have their little own desks that they sit out all day, and they take little lessons on YouTube on how to draw things. So we definitely got them some of this. So David's gonna go ahead and put those in. Okay, so we got that in there. They're both kind of just stacked there. Okay, so next is a little mini sketchbook. We're just gonna put that right in front of the other ones. And this is so cute. This is a little stationery set, and it's got like a bunny with a plaid vest on, and these were $5 at the Target Dollar Spot. So go ahead and like turn it around so we can see everything. Like the back. So that's what it comes with. And my nephews are gonna go crazy over this. They love this kind of stuff. So we're gonna put that in next. Just like put it in where it looks good. There you go. This is one of my favorite items in the Dollar Tree. You get 6 of these art palettes. So we're gonna include that. And this cute mini Etch-a-Sketch, and it's like a real Etch-a-Sketch. Isn't that cute? So we're going to put that in there. Is that where you want it?
Okay,
the next stuff is also from the Dollar Tree. We've got these combs, and the boys comb their hair in the morning, and they always lose their combs. So this is a pack of 12 from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was so cute. And they need some paintbrushes for their art. So that's going to go in there. Stick that in there. And they're going to get 2 things of candy. They love these Lifesaver gummies and Starburst. So those are going in there.
This is a flute from the Dollar Tree, also from
It's not a flute, it's a recorder.
Okay, if it's a recorder, then it's from late 1980s, early 1990s.
It's at the Dollar Tree, guys, so that was $1. Okay, put that in. And this gives it some height, which looks good. Kind of put it behind something. You're covering all that. So this gives it some height and some dimension.
These are acrylic paints that'll go in the art palette.
So they had like several colors, so I just got like a few of each and to put in each basket, and they can share them. And then they didn't have green in the Jot brand, so
They got Crayola.
they got Crayola. Yep. So we're gonna put those in. Looking good. Did you like fan those colors out? Honey, that doesn't, you gotta fan them out. So
There's no fan.
they're displayed. So it's nice and displayed. There you go. Looks good. David, go ahead.
These look like lollipop rings. There are 3 of them. I'm assuming for $1
Yes, they are.
at the Dollar Tree.
Good job.
This is an 8-piece powder candy set of carrots.
Aren't these cute? These just add so much like decorative touches to the baskets because they're little carrots. They're so cute. And then show them the last item.
It's Trix Lip Balm.
All right, go ahead and put those in. Okay, so that's Brady's basket. Isn't it so cute? He's gonna absolutely love it. And we're gonna do Bryson's next. For watching, everyone, and a big thank you to David, my husband, for helping me put these together. And I think you had fun, right?
I had a good time for my first time. Thanks.
So hopefully he'll be in some more videos in the future. But thanks again for watching, everyone. Have a happy Easter. Bye.
Bye.